today we will start a new chapter of civics book. Chapter 8 name is Confronting Marginalization. First, I explain you different separately meaning of confronting and marginalization. So, first, what is meaning of confronting? So, confronting refers to the way in which groups and individual challenges and the existing inequalities. And what is meaning of marginalization? So, marginalization is the process whereby something or someone is pushed to the edge of a group and accorded lesser importance. This is predominantly a social phenomena by which a minority or subgroup is excluded and their need or desires ignored. Simple meaning of marginalization is deprive someone of their rights. I hope you all understood well what is meaning of confronting and marginalization. So first, starting of this chapter, I explain you introduction about of chapter. So read about in this chapter. Read about two different groups and discrimination. Though powerless, such groups have fought, protested and struggled against being excluded or dominated to overcome their situation by adopting a range of strategies in this long history. Religious, social and struggle, self-improvement and education, economic upliftment. There appears to be no one way of doing things. In all cases, the choice of struggle has depends on the circumstances that the marginalized find themselves. In this chapter, we can learn about some of the way in which groups and individual challenge existing inequality. So, first we will see why we will see in this chapter topic about invoking fundamental rights. So, we will see why Constitution in India is something that marginalized group invoke in the course of their struggle. We will also look at the government effort to formulate policies to promote the access of these groups to development. So, fundamental rights are the basic right given to every individual of a nation, which every person is entitled to have being a human. So first, I will explain you what type of fundamental rights in our constitution. So first, fundamental right is right to equality, and this right is provided article 14 to 18. Okay. Next fundamental right is right to freedom, and this right is situated article 19 to 22. All right to freedom is based in our constitution article 19 to 22. Next fundamental right is given in constitution and this right is based article 23 to 24. Next fundamental right is right to freedom of religion. This right is based in our constitution, article 25 to 23. Next fundamental right is cultural and educational right, and this right is based article 29 to 31. Okay. Next, 6 number of right is right to constitutional and this article is based this right is based on article 32 to 35. So students, in this all rights are provided in our constitution of all Indians equally. First fundamental right is right to equality. Second right is right to freedom. Third right against exploration. Fourth right to freedom of religion. And five cultural and educational right. And six fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. This all right are in our constitution. I hope you all understood very well on fundamental rights. In this topic, all explanation we will study in our next video. I hope you all understood very well. Thank you for watching.